Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel and today is a very special video for me. आज है Valentine's Day जिस दिन मैं ये शूट कर रही हूँ and Harry decided to give me a very nice Valentine's Day gift. Yes, he will be here in this video doing my makeup. So I am super duper excited because मैं YouTube पे 10 years से हूँ and it took me forever to convince him to be on my video, like in my video basically. Yeah, so let me introduce you Harry. So he's Harry, my husband, my Valentine, my better half, आप कुछ भी कह लीजिए. He's my best friend. So today he will be doing my makeup and it will be a fun video. So let's get started. So Harry, how are you feeling?
I have no idea. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, let's see
I'm
how
going
it
to give
goes.
her the best makeover she ever had.
Okay, all right. I'm super duper excited. So I'm just gonna tie my hair ताकि disturb ना करे Harry को. And if you're wondering where is Kabir, he's just playing around us. Here and there, बीच में आपको दिखा भी देंगे. So मैंने सारे products सामने रख दिए हैं Harry के. And he can choose whatever he wants to do. And my face is now a blank canvas for Harry. And I'm super duper excited to see what look he gives me. So let's get started, Harry.
So which one to use first? Okay. So like the name suggests, liquid foundation.
This is a palette.
This is primer. I think first primer लगाएंगे because primer itself, the name suggests it should be applied first. How to apply what?
See, you have brushes over here. ठीक है, मेरा beauty blender भी यहाँ पर है. You can use whatever you want. You can use your fingers as well. जो you are comfortable with.
Okay.
You can use that. So Harry chose Miss Claire Prestige Lumin Layer Primer. Illuminator primer है basically to apply the very first layer actually for me.
Okay. So we'll be taking this.
Beauty blender.
Okay.
Okay. लग भी रहा है. Okay.
Okay, now let me.
Am I illuminating?
So अब we will apply. Primer is done. इसके बाद I think this is what eyeshadow.
These are two eyeshadow palettes. बाकी foundation, concealers सब हैं.
Liquid foundation. Okay, now we'll apply foundation. So as the name suggests, foundation is the foundation of makeup.
Okay, so he chose Forever 52 foundation. If you are wondering what shade I am FLF 013.
So again using the same sponge pot.
Beauty blender.
What do you call
Beauty
it?
blender.
Sponge.
It didn't work.
Beauty blender sponge.
Sponge. So, taking this amount, oh sab de raha.
So this
No,
much
kabhi no.
amount of the foundation is going on me.
No, kabhi.
Kabir is playing with my makeup.
No,
तो
no.
मजे आ गए, इतना makeup मिल गया.
No. Okay. ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया?
I don't know, like blend it ना.
Okay.
You gotta blend it.
Okay.
This is my shade actually में. So
So this is basically giving an even look to the
हाँ बाबा.
whole face, I think.
What happened? You look.
सही भी कर रहा हूँ?
मैं सब कुछ ना बाद में बताऊंगी what you did wrong and what
Okay.
was the right thing you did.
अभी मैंने काव्या की काफ़ी वीडियोस देखी हैं, so
This is
After
the
the-
foundation. Nice.
foundation I think we need to rectify the color, है ना? So we'll be using एक color corrector use करेंगे. Foundation.
So जो कलर करेक्टर है ना वो करेक्टर के नाम से तुम्हें इधर नहीं मिलेगा.
कंसीलर के नाम से.
Okay, here it is. A color corrector.
Okay, so this is LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. So we'll be applying this concealer in all the dark areas. But ये already color is. Kabhi wait. So we'll be applying this concealer in the dark areas where the skin is dark, usually under eyes and on the upper lips and here on the cheekbones. Okay.
Come here.
हनुमान
इधर.
लग रही है. Okay.
Okay. So Kabir is also in the frame now.
हमारा ठीक है.
हाँ कोई बात.
So we'll be using this brush to blend it. नहीं ये ज़्यादा बड़ा है. We'll be using this a little hard brush to blend it. Okay.
What happened? Let me check.
Red हो गई हो. So नहीं it is working.
Okay.
So once we have blended the color corrector, so the face is ready for what? I think my makeup is done. नहीं?
हाँ आईज नहीं करनी तुमने.
हाँ, eyes on.
ब्लश है, हाइलाइटर है, अभी बहुत
Okay,
कुछ
हाँ,
है.
हाँ, हाँ. Now we'll be blush तो लास्ट में करेंगे.
Oh, don't do this, Kabir.
कभी no. So what are these?
These are cover pots. तुमने क्या करना अभी? I'll help you a little bit. Do you wanna do eyes?
हाँ eyes के.
So you can use any eyeshadow palette. एक वो है.
Okay.
I have 2 eyeshadow palettes here,
Okay.
and one is this one. So you can choose accordingly. And these are the brushes. Eye brushes भी हैं, face brushes भी हैं. Whatever you think it's.
Eye brush कौन सा है? ये?
Use whatever you want to use.
So we'll be using this. I think it is an eye brush. And
This one.
we'll be using this palette, sleek palette,
This is sleek palette. Yeah.
and we'll be taking. We'll be taking this copper shade,
This is rose gold.
rose gold.
Okay, so Harry, I think, is deciding to give me a Valentine's Day look with
Yeah.
the rose gold shade.
Party look.
Yeah, Valentine's party look.
Yeah. So we'll take a good amount of it. इसको अच्छे से ब्रश पे लगाया and then इसको eyelids पे ऐसे इससे eyelids जो हैं चमक गई हैं. They're all sparkling. Nice. Okay.
Go.
Can you see the difference? हाँ. कभी नो.
No.
ओए! नो करंट लग जाएगा. हो. Wait.
Okay, one eye is done.
Okay.
Moving on to
So it is more like a painting, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. स्कूल में जो we used to paint ना, very similar feeling using these brushes. We'll take some more. And I want to give you a 2-shade look. I mean
Okay.
gradient type.
okay.
So I will mix this shade with a. मुझे दूसरा ब्रश लेना होगा.
Yeah, you can. Or you can use the same brush as well. So like it's totally up to you.
Okay. I'll use this finer
Okay.
brush.
This is a pencil brush, and it's by Vega. This one.
This rose gold I will choose a brown shade, matte brown shade. Chocolate color. ये अंदर की तरफ लगाना है, बाहर की तरफ. ओके है अंदर. I'll apply this. ये क्या हो गया? ऐसा नहीं आ रहा जैसा I had thought. I don't know. नहीं सही है, स्मोकी आइस टाइप लग रहा है. स्किन नहीं खराब होती है. ओके.
Okay.
ओके. ओके. So now the eyes are done. अभी हम eyebrows करेंगे.
Eyeliner नहीं लगाना तुमने?
वो कैसे लगेगा?
Eyeliner.
अच्छा.
Okay, let me find you an eyeliner. Do you prefer liquid one or
हाँ,
the?
which is easy to apply. आराम से लग जाए.
Yeah, this one. This is
So this is
Sugar's eyeliner.
Sugar's eyeliner.
Goo 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 goo.
ये लोअर उस पे लगाना है, अपर पे.
This is a liquid one ना, तो upper पे लगेगा. The pencil one can be drawn
Okay.
on the lower lashes.
लगाना कहाँ है? एज पे, आईलिड की एज पे.
Liner, where you line? Liner ऐसे लगाती नहीं हूँ मैं, देखा नहीं है.
बट आईलिड्स ये वो हो जाएंगी
क्या हो जाएंगे?
लिक्विड.
हाँ तो सूखता है ना फिर उसके बाद.
ओके. ऐसे 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 बाउंड्री पे.
हाँ. या.
ओके. ज़्यादा लग गया.
कभी stop it.
ओह शिट. यार ये नहीं लगवाना था, खराब हो गया.
Okay, we can fix it. Don't worry.
और हो रहा है.
तो मैं थोड़ा सा हेल्प कर देती हूँ हैरी को. I'm just gonna fix the eyeliner. I'm just gonna remove the extra जो कि खराब हो गया है.
बहुत ज़्यादा लग गया.
Okay, so I fixed the eyeliner.
हो गया.
But
So
now
I'll blend the.
no, but you have to do the another eye ना eyeliner क्योंकि फिर eye look ऐसी हो जाएगी ना, एक अलग एक अलग. Don't wing it out.
Okay.
Okay. Good job. There's a little space.
कहाँ पे?
Lashes और liner में.
ओके, आउटलाइन बनानी है बेसिकली.
Yeah.
सो व्हाट
What
नेक्स्ट?
next? Wanted to do eyebrows,
हाँ.
mascara.
मस्कारा क्या? अच्छा, आईलैशेस पे.
Do you want to put fake one or नहीं?
नहीं नहीं ठीक
Okay,
होगा.
ठीक है. चलो ठीक है. जो whatever you do wanna first वो कर लो. Either eyebrows or mascara.
तो पहले मस्कारा कर लेते हैं.
Okay. So let me give you a good mascara. Try this one.
ओके. ओके.
Where do I look?
ऊपर. ऊपर से नीचे लगाते हैं? मतलब इट इज
Yeah, from the roots.
नहीं
Yeah.
इनर साइड और आउटर साइड
Like पूरे lashes पे लगाते हैं यार.
ऐसे ऊपर की तरफ से भी?
नहीं. हाँ, sometimes if you have fall out.
ओके रुको
Okay.
नीचे वालियों पे भी?
That's totally up to you.
पर वो ऊपर को ऐसे
वो नीचे को ही लगाते हैं.
अच्छा
वो ऊपर को नहीं लगाते.
ओके नीचे वाली पे नहीं लग रहा.
Okay. This may be comfortable to do that thing.
ये स्टिक हो गई हैं आपस में.
Okay, so mascara is done. Now eyebrows.
हाँ आईब्रोज. मस्कारा
नहीं, यूज क्या करना है तुमने eyebrows के लिए?
जिससे डार्क हो जाए.
Like, do you want to use an eyeshadow or okay, pencil?
पेंसिल. ये देखो.
No, this is a kajal. Let me find you.
ये रही.
This is the red lip liner.
अच्छा. Okay, so we'll be using this sugar pencil, eyebrow pencil.
निकालो तो सही, ऐसे कैसे होगा?
अच्छा.
Okay.
So this is what liquid.
No, this is a
Okay.
pencil cream product.
So इससे जो eyebrows हैं fuller लगेंगे, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Okay, not bad. Eyebrows are not bad. Okay, what next?
Now we'll be applying blush.
Okay, I'll give you 2-3 options. You can select. हाँ, ये भी ठीक है.
Toothpaste. This is nice color. नहीं, I'll use matte. ये blush ही है ना?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so we'll use this shade.
Brushes हैं तुम्हारे सामने.
हाँ. इस टाइप के brush we'll use this soft brush. I think उसके लिए सही रहेगा ये. So ऐसे लगाना. Okay. On the cheekbones ऐसे बाहर को. हल्का सा subtle look. हाँ, it is. थोड़ा सा और. ओके. अब चीक बोन्स हाईलाइट करने के लिए
The blush. Okay.
we'll use this outliner types. हाईलाइट करने के लिए वो जिससे
तुम कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, I think.
कंसीलर नहीं, करेक्टर नहीं,
Contour करना.
कॉन्टूर करने के लिए. कॉन्टूर करने
Or do you want to highlight?
कॉन्टूर.
Okay.
नहीं, फेस बट तुम्हारा ऑलरेडी पतला है, सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कॉन्टूर की जरूरत होगी.
Just put a highlighter on. I think
हाइलाइटर लगा
that will be good.
ये
Yeah.
I think this is. So we'll be using this.
Color pops wisp.
Using some other brush, maybe this. So, but वहीं पे कहाँ पे लगेगा ये? नहीं, ये यहाँ लगेगा, नोज के पास नहीं. वो तो ओके. इससे नोज जो है पतला लगेगा. नहीं. वो कैसे लगता है? ओके. थोड़ा सा मैं हाइलाइटर यहाँ भी लगा दूँ, यहाँ. आई डोंट नो कितना लग रहा है. केक ही हो गया. ओके ओके ओके, बहुत है. नाउ वी आर डन विद द लुक. थोड़ा ब्लेंडिंग की जरूरत है.
ओके.
इस पे कुछ लगाया तो नहीं था ना मैंने.
लिपस्टिक इज
हाँ
स्टिल
अभी हाँ वो लगाएंगे. सो नाउ वील बी अप्लाइंग लिपस्टिक. सिंस आज वैलेंटाइंस है तो हम एक पॉपिंग लिपस्टिक लगाएंगे.
रेड. There's a lot of options here. अगर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक लगानी है तो वो पड़ी रेड वाली. Yeah, this is Maybelline.
So we'll use Maybelline. इसकी लगाएंगे लिपस्टिक.
The liquid one. You can use any other color. वो उसमें भी है.
इसमें ही आता है ना इफेक्ट.
नहीं नॉर्मल लिपस्टिक में भी आता है. If you are a little doubtful, let me find you.
नहीं, I'll use it. मैं ये वाला use करूँगा.
So we're going back to the Maybelline one. Okay.
ओहो, ये अच्छा ही लग रही है.
Okay.
ओके. हाँ.
Lipstick
आउटलाइन
is
आउटलाइन
done.
नहीं लगानी इसकी कोई नहीं. ओके. आई थिंक इट्स डन.
And do you want to fix this makeup with some spray? I have two. No, this is a makeup remover. Makeup तो मेल्ट हो जाएगा वो remover.
हाँ, सुपर स्प्रे.
No. ये दो में से कोई एक लगा दो.
So we'll use this Miss Claire's matte finish. ये लगा के.
All right.
Okay.
So the makeup is done. I'm just gonna style my hair a little bit. And
ठीक कर दिया.
am I looking pretty?
हाँ, ठीक लग रही है.
Okay, not bad.
हाँ, ऐसे
I
लगे.
really loved the blush जो तुमने लगाया था. You actually applied the highlighter जहाँ पे contour लगाते हैं, like hollows of cheeks and nose.
वहीं लगना था.
No, that's the contour. But overall वो पूरा blend हो गया ना, तो it is giving me that really nice glow. So that was nice.
Special touch.
I'm looking like a disco ball because बहुत ज़्यादा shine कर रही हूँ मैं.
Okay.
But it's actually looking nice. Lipstick is fine. And you kind of gave me an inverted smoky eye. Normally dark होता है outer corners में. You did it in inner corners. But I'm happy. Like eyebrows भी ठीक हैं. I can actually go out with this face. Yes, so it's not that bad. So I can actually go. Good job.
First time.
I'm so proud of you. So, did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
Really?
I liked it.
Okay. So, will you be doing more videos with me?
No, this was the only.
Guys, if you want to see him, then you have to comment कि आप हैरी को और videos में देखना चाहते हैं मेरे साथ कि नहीं. Only then he'll be coming here on camera. Otherwise, I know it took me 10 years to convince him to, be in a video with me. Anyways, so that was a fun video and this is how we spent our Valentine's Day. Thank you. This was a very nice gift. Thank you. So So I'm super proud of my hubby, and yeah, it was a fun video. बहुत मज़ा आया, and I'm so glad that he did this video with me. So yeah, that's it guys. If you want to see more such fun videos, then please you have to comment and tell him that he has to be in my videos. Only then he's gonna come, otherwise he will not come. I know that. Anyways, so that was it for this video. अगर आपको ये video अच्छी लगी, then please do give a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family. And yeah, that's it. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye. Mwah.